In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your quiz questions and set up recall information variables in the question text. We're going to walk through the core setup for creating a quiz that feels personalized, scores answers automatically, and sends people to the right outcome based on their results. This process is especially useful when you want a quiz to do more than just collect clicks. You want it to guide the user, calculate a result behind the scenes, and deliver a tailored follow-up experience. First, build your quiz questions and set up recall information variables directly in the question text. As you write each question, think about where personalization can improve the experience. Recall information variables allow you to bring in details a user has already provided, so the quiz feels more relevant and engaging. This is a great way to make the content feel dynamic without complicating the flow. As you add the variables, double check that they match the information you've already collected, so everything displays correctly when the quiz is live. Next, use the logic area, specifically score quiz or variables, to tally points for each answer choice. This is the part that powers your result logic. For every possible answer, assign the appropriate value based on how you want the quiz to score. If your quiz is designed to sort users into different result types, be consistent with how those points are distributed. Taking a few extra minutes here helps prevent inaccurate outcomes later. It's also a good idea to review your answer paths carefully so each selection contributes to the total exactly the way you intend. After that, set conditions that direct users to specific outcome end screens based on their total points. This is where your scoring system turns into a personalized result. Create the conditions so that each score range leads to the correct end screen. These end screens should match the result the user has earned through their answers. Be precise with your ranges so there are no gaps or overlaps, and test different score totals to make sure users always land on the right screen. Finally, connect your email integration, such as ConvertKit, so customized results can be sent directly to the user's inbox. This step extends the quiz experience beyond the screen and makes your follow-up more useful and personal. Once connected, make sure the right result is passed into your email setup so each person receives the correct message based on their quiz.